Here's how to capture UTM parameters in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce website, just go under all pages. Go to one of the pages that you have created and click edit right here on the right side. Doing that will redirect you to the classic Unbounce builder where you will need to edit your form. So right here on the builder, just scroll down until you find your form right here and make sure to double click your form. And after double clicking your form, we just need to add hidden fields for our UTM parameters. So for example, this hidden field right here, let's name it UTM source. So make sure they are written like this because all UTM parameters are case sensitive. So for example, this is UTM source and we add more, and let's name this utmost medium also last one UTM campaign. And yes, that's it. So this is my UTM parameters, and make sure that the default value is leave it blank. So don't put anything under default value. And after doing that, just click save, save again, and publish your page to make some changes. And after publishing again your page, just go back to the page overview, and under overview, if you go to leads, if you already generated some leads, all lead entries will show UTM values for attribution right here. So you can see them right here. And that is how to capture UTM parameters in Unbounce.